I'm going to interview two of the most bindas, badass, and people who usually don't mince their words. So this is going to be really fun because हम यहाँ जो भी बोलेंगे सच बोलेंगे.
You're talking
सच के
about me,
सिवा
I understand.
कुछ
But
भी-
ये
कुछ भी.
ऐसा तो नहीं है.
पर he's usually very honest.
Off the camera, very.
झूठ बोलना मेरा पेशा है।
तो आज हम सच बोलेंगे. देखते कितना मजा आएगा सच बोल. चलो. बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग तरीके से आपको ये रोल मिला.
हाँ.
क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली सबको पता है कि ये एक स्पेनिश मूवी बेस्ड है, कॉन्ट्राटेम्पो, एंड विच ऑब्वियसली मीन्स द इनविजिबल गेस्ट.
I got the role of the girl who dies.
हाँ.
But I wanted to do the role of the man.
या सो देन आपको ऑफर किया गया गर्लफ्रेंड का रोल. आपने बोला कि आपको ये चाहिए. रिएक्शंस कैसे थे और लोग कन्विंस कैसे हुए फिर?
तो सुनील के पास राइट्स थे, स्क्रिप्ट थी, तो उनको बोला मैंने कि मुझे ये चाहिए. बाय द टाइम डिसाइड हो गया था कि जो लॉयर होने वाले हैं वो मेल होंगे. तो मैंने कहा कि चलो ठीक है, अगर वो ओरिजिनल से आपने चेंज किया है फीमेल से मेल, तो आई वुड वांट टू डू दिस, प्लीज़ चेंज दिस ऑल्सो देन. सो आई थिंक नाइस ऑफ हिम दैट ही अग्रीड, एंड देन ही वॉज फोर्स्ड टू वर्क विद इट बिकॉज ही डिडंट हैव एन ऑप्शन. मैंने तो साइन कर ली थी पिक्चर. मैंने कहा अब तो मैं ही करूँगी, अब जो मर्जी कर लो कोई भी.
That is why I started this interview saying badass. But that's really badass. I know that a lot of actors in the past have got away with changing the roles and getting what they want, but it's time that a lot of women also put
बेचारे को
step in.
बहुत सफ़र करना पड़ा इस वजह से. Still suffering. बेचारा, और कोई बच्चन सर और मैं तो आ गए, कोई और बेचारा आ नहीं पाया इस पिक्चर में. सबकी निगाहें मेरे रोल के ऊपर थी, तो बेचारे को कोई और हीरो के साथ काम करने का मौका नहीं मिला सिवाय मेरे और मिस्टर बच्चन के. सो बट या.
But while I don't want to defend Sujay, I think Sujay is one of those directors who likes sort of working on strong female characters.
Yeah, that I agree. That's why I called him after I read the script कि भाई this is your film. This is typically Sujay Ghosh film. You should direct it. To which this man said no, I don't think so. I'm not able to wrap my head around this and blah 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 blah.
Sujay?
Yeah, he refused. He didn't want to do it.
Wasn't that more exciting for you when you first heard it? No. Why?
No, I tell you why also. Because you know, there's certain ways of you see certain things. And
Correct.
you may see a 6, I may see a 9. See what I did?
This is a subtle plug-in. Don't
Okay,
do.
no, I was very bad actually. Sorry, maaf kar dena mujhe. No, thing is, you know, when you see something, it's like when you read a book. Yeah, when you read a book, you have your own imagination of how the book is. Like when we all read Harry Potter, we had अपने दिमाग में था
Correct.
कि Hogwarts ऐसा है, इनके कपड़े ऐसे हैं. And then you see the film and then you realize कि आपके और फिल्म में कितना similarities है या तो differences है. Similarly, so when I know of a story and I'm seeing it in a certain way and you come with me a completely changed perspective, तो मुझे थोड़ा time लगता है वो सोचने में, because I'm a self-made director. I'm not a experienced निर्देशक. I have whatever I know I have taught myself. तो थोड़ा time लग गया मुझे वो समझने में हो क्या रहा है.
So during the shoot, you had this animosity towards her कि तुम मुझसे क्या करवा रहे हो, but अभी खुश लग रहे हो आप यार.
Good actor.
सेट तक आने तक ठीक हो गया था, क्योंकि बच्चन सर आ गए थे सेट पे. ठीक है, तो ये इसका
behaved
compensate हो गया.
himself.
He behaved himself. Yeah.
तो basically बच्चन सर के सामने he just becomes like this. हाँ.
Yeah. He's
The tantrums come out in front of you.
Then he becomes a fanboy there, and otherwise he's like, I'm not sure कि मेरे टाइप की नहीं है and all. ये बहुत मतलब भाव बहुत खाता है मेरे सामने.
When I took on the project, I completely believed in it, and that's the reason I took it on, and I think I'm very very happy. In fact, somewhere, मतलब
Give me the credit.
But you know,
कर
like
लिया.
Tapsi sort of. But
She managed.
Yeah. Though he didn't come because of me, but at least I was pushing him very shamelessly.
So basically the lollipop was Mr. Big B coming on board.
Yeah, 100%.
कि
Final
देखो.
thing sealed was him only.
But you always wanted to. You've been writing films for Mr. Bachchan. And
Only
you
for him.
For a change, she's right. I normally don't agree with her on anything.
So far the truth, I have to force him to write for something for me or make me do something.
Yeah.
But for Mr. Bachchan, it's organic.
But people whom he likes working with them second time. See, you did Kahani. Kahani continued.
Oh, sensitive.
I'm very far, but I want to give this to you. What?
I used to tease him a lot. She is his favorite.
Vidya.
Vidya is his favorite, and I told this to Vidya also during Mission Mangal. I was like, I know you're his favorite, but I tease him like hell.
Yeah.
That she's your favorite. You wait. I'll become your favorite after you. Wait after this. The moment I talk about favorite, he's like, सुनाई नहीं दे रहा, line कट रही है. So that's how shamelessly loyal he is to Vidya.
Chalo, koi nahi. I know because he looked more heartbroken when there were stories about they having a tiff. Because he was like, मैं और Vidya.
नहीं.
नहीं.
I'll force.
प्यार अभी भी है.
No. अभी भी है. Favorite वही है.
ये महाशय ने कहा है कि आपको बायोपिक्स इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं लगते बिल्कुल भी. क्यों? हाँ. It's a lot of directors are very interested in biopics.
Why don't you like biopics? What is wrong in biopics? You tell me.
No, for example, if I like Taapsee, what is my association with Taapsee? It's a work, her films. I'm happy to know her work. If you make me a biopic on her work, I'm happy. I really don't want to know about her personal life. No disrespect, but what will I do with her personal life? So I prefer to admire the things that I've known a person for, whether it's books or films or sports.
What goes behind that person getting
yeah,
that or
like
doing
for example, the biggest whatever biopic they said was Sanju. While they will discuss, he's also had this the other life, which sort of have eventually made him the actor that he is. The experiences that he's taken from it and all of that.
Absolutely.
Doesn't that interest you?
No. Personally, no. And it's not just Sanju, I mean anybody. Even if you today made a biopic on Amitabh Bachchan, I won't be interested because it doesn't interest me. Somebody's personal life really doesn't interest me. I mean, I like my closest to the biopic I ever got was Jhankar Beats. I mean, I love R.D. Burman. I live, breathe, sleep R.D. Burman. But that doesn't mean I want to make a biopic on his life. I rather make something which will encourage his work more, his music more. People will get to know about the kind of thing I love him for. Okay? Because I'm not sure if I love her that much if I got to know her as a human person, as a human being, versus how much I love her just by seeing her work.
I personally want to see where the person's achievements are coming from. Like what made this person reach this position, what was going in the head.
What made her or him?
I would want to know the process behind it. Maybe you just probably touch upon the reasons behind what made that person achieve what all he achieved professionally, which can be a personal life incident or whatever it can be. I would want to know where it's coming from, where did this fire or this anger or the happiness came from. So yeah, so because of however I've known him, there must be a story behind how this person reached here. So I would want to know that process just out of curiosity of if I liked someone or if I knew someone, I would want to see that. So as an audience, that for me is a real story which I would want to watch. At the same time, whatever you are hinting at, that yes, people, sometimes when we know someone too much, there's a lot of times people, like for example, I'll tell you, there's a lot of people who we have crush on, right?
And then you meet them and it goes.
Then you meet them totally, and it has happened before that if I've really had a crush on someone and I saw that person in real life, I just saw, and that's it. I was like, gone. So you want to say that you don't want. I actually get scared of meeting people in personal life who I have a crush on because you never know where it's going to go.
Correct.
Let's say Kishore Kumar. Like, why would I want a biopic on Kishore Kumar?
Okay. But there was supposed to be apparently, and he was also supposed to be.
No, I'm just saying Kishore Kumar just an example. I mean, that could
You
be
don't want a biopic on this.
For me, no. I'll make a film on his music.
You've been part of Surma and all of that, so.
Yes, I've been part of Surma. I'm doing Sand Ki Aankh.
Sand Ki Aankh se yaad aaya on Twitter where you wrote, now that all the things about our film is not happened, and it was post Anurag's, of course, post about the fact that he couldn't get Womania also.
Yeah.
And I thought this similarity between Anurag and he was uncanny.
He sent me that tweet before writing. He's like, मैं ये लिख रहा हूँ. मैंने कहा, सर लिखो आप बिल्कुल आप ही लिख सकते हो, लिखो ये. So he did that. He didn't get the title, na? That whole fight of title that was there. So he was very upset because that's a term he coined.
Yeah.
अपनी picture में. तो he felt like मेरा बनाया हुआ word मैं ही नहीं use कर सकता. ये कैसे? So and he did try to solve it professionally multiple times for months. I myself was had these conversations with PNC and their company multiple times. We all were so personally attached to that title for so long, working title, that we really tried our best in all possible ways to get it. But so we were like, okay, fine, that's not going to change the script anyway. So here it is, the title. And by the way, the director wanted this title more than Womania. Everyone else was in favor of Womania. Tushar wanted Sand Ki Aankh. So he got what he wanted.
But were you happy?
I was happy that film is announced and it's going on floor, because I was getting flustered. They were like, नहीं अभी रुको, अभी title finalize हो ना तो announcement करते हैं. और वो title के चक्कर में the small इधर से अरे film कहते फिल्म बंद हो गई है क्योंकि ना एंटीक गन्स की ज़रूरत है और एंटीक गन्स के पैसे नहीं है रिलायंस के पास.
What?
तो पिक्चर नहीं बन रही. कैन यू बिलीव दिस? वेयर डज दिस कम फ्रॉम? एंटीक गन्स, मतलब 20 साल पहले कौन सी एंटीक गन थी? 20 साल पहले इन लोगों ने शूटिंग करी थी.
Correct.
नाउ दे आर सम 88, 84 year old. देन दे वर 60s व्हेन दे स्टार्टेड शूटिंग. कौन सी एंटीक गन्स थी उस टाइम पे यार? और एंटीक गन्स रिलायंस कैन नॉट अफोर्ड. So that's why the movie is shelved. कि पैसे नहीं है बनाने के.
But no, you all fought for it, right? So ultimately,
so these were some bizarre rumors कि एंटीक गन में पिक्चर शेल्व हो गई है, टाइटल नहीं मिल रहा है, या मतलब bizarre. मैंने कहा ये सब I was getting annoyed with all these random rumors that were coming out, as a negative publicity for the film, which is very wrong. None of this was true. Whatever the truth was, we very honestly came out with it कि ये टाइटल नहीं मिल रहा था. अब हमने ये रजिस्टर करवा लिया, अब हम इसके साथ ही जाएंगे, तुम रख लो अपना टाइटल अपने पास. So yeah, I was happy कि film has finally been announced and we are shooting for it finally.
as a writer and a director, if you had to choose one of your favorite Taapsee's film and one film that you thought was overrated, which would that be and why? Exactly why I said.
Overrated तो कोई भी नहीं है मेरी film.
I liked her in Chashme Baddur.
See, so Chashme Baddur and he wanted to work with me.
Then she completely changed. When I saw her in person, I thought, hang on, ये Chashme Baddur, same girl, okay, yeah. Okay. No, yeah.
You didn't make me sing and dance like that then. Nonsense.
And so I saw Mulk, which,
Mulk he really liked.
but I'm not sure about her in Mulk, because in the Mulk the whole film was so overpowering. So whether it was her or Rishi Ji or Pratik or whoever was in that film, which is the film as it is, I immensely enjoyed. So there was Mulk. I liked her in Man Marziya. What else did I see of yours? That
You saw Surma.
I saw Surma. Well, she was not hardly there in the film. क्या टोपी दे तो.
See, people are getting so used to watching me for 2 hours. Now they are not accepting me as a heroine. It's become a problem. I was very much relevant in that film. I had to.
बेबी में थी ना तू? हाँ.
See, बेबी में 10 मिनट लोगों को याद रख रहे हैं. उसके बाद से मेरी बात मानो, मैं कभी-कभी ऐसे काम करती हूँ.
I'll really enjoy seeing her in पति पत्नी और वो. And in Badla.
Now this the bitchy side is coming out.
This is the real Shujoy Ghosh coming out for everyone.
This is the real side. Tell me what was going through your head at the time, because I mean we all read that and all of that. But
I wanted to call out the practice and not the people. That was the idea. So that my basic motivation was this should not happen with any other actor in the future.
Yeah.
That was my motivation behind doing that. My target was not those people because. See, if I really wanted to get them down and put them in a spot in any way, first of all, I don't believe in all that, because it's too bitter and ugly to do all this one-on-one, matlab throwing shit at them throwing shit at me. It doesn't work like that. It is not good. So, I didn't want to do that. I could have went out and published the messages which conveyed that I was committed for the dates, and all those conversations had gone on. But why stoop to that level? The idea is not to get them कि ये लोग नहीं, ये जो हुआ मेरे साथ ये गलत था. किसी भी एक्टर का टाइम इज मनी, टाइम इज इक्वलेंट टू एवरी डे फॉर अस इज इम्पोर्टेंट. व्हाट आर वी यूटिलाइजिंग इट फॉर? So you cannot play with that time for an actor. You can't tell me that I don't know how to get rejected. I've been rejected countless number of times in last 8 years I've been working. So I know how to take rejections, but this is not the right way.
But did they ever apologize after they saw?
I met the producers after that, and we did have a conversation across the table, and we mutually nicely sorted it out, or whatever you can call it, but no bad blood after that. But that's why I said I had nothing against them at a personal level. I wanted to call out this practice that was wrong, and I did.
What is Shuja's most overrated film, or a film that you didn't so
I don't
much
think
like,
any
or
of his
something like
films
that?
is overrated.
No.
Well said, Tapsai.
I think it should have been probably underrated. I think the film. Kahani 2 was better than what it
Got the rent.
I thought Kahani 2 deserved a little more than what it got. It was not how people like eventually. I mean, number wise, I expected it to do.
Yeah. You know, Shah Rukh is on board as a producer, and I'm sure you all have shot something with Shah Rukh. So please don't give me answer like 8 March ko dekh lena.
My
Wahi
producer is Gauri Khan. I'm just joking.
So on that note बताएंगे कि क्या इंटरेस्टिंग किस मोड पे लाया ऐसे चलते चलते साइड ट्रैक में शाहरुख कहाँ आ जाता है फिल्म में?
No, but he's very energetic. You know, he puts in so much effort,
Oh yeah.
even though it's not his film. In terms of acting in it, but the amount of energy and ideas and interest.
Even for a cameo or a small thing, right? It's amazing.
You have no idea how. It's really. I really didn't expect that, and I'm genuinely. I mean.
Are you excited with Mr. Khan's cameo?
Yeah. I'm very excited with him being a part of this film in whichever way.
He's super good.
Okay. On that note, guys, thank you so much.